Hey guys, today I will be teaching you guys how to build a boat. First, we will have to go over the materials. Number one is copy paper. Now this one is optional. And this is a pencil. First, take your paper and make your paper vertical. It should look like this. First, fold the paper in half. Take your paper and fold it in half, top to bottom. Make sure to press down on the fold to make it neat. Then, fold in half again. Now fold the paper in half from side to side. Press the fold firmly. Now, fold down the corners. With the folded edge at the top, fold the top two corners down to meet at the center, making a triangle with a flap at the bottom. Afterwards, fold down the corners. With the folded edge at the top, fold the top two corners down to meet at the center, making a triangle with a flap at the bottom. Then, form a square, open up the hat shape, and press the sides inwards to make a square. Now, fold up the bottom corners again. With the open end at the bottom, fold the bottom corners up to the top to make another triangle.
Lastly, finish your boat. Pull the top edges of the square outward and gently open up your boat. Adjust the folds to help it stand up properly.
And that's it. You've just learned how to make a simple paper boat. This quick and fun activity can be a fantastic way to spend some creative time. Now that your boat is ready, you can float it in a sink, bathtub, or puddle and watch it sail. Feel free to decorate your boat with markers, stickers, or even give it a name. Happy sailing!